We are going on our first camping trip in a couple of years. Jack, are you ready for your first camping trip? How about the rest of you guys? We're just going for one night, and this Suburban is loaded. It's about ready to explode. The back door.
Literally.
There's not an inch of unused space in here.
Except for up here.
We go camping.
Now let's hope there's a camping spot. This is American Fork Canyon.
What's that?
There's the driver.
We're going camping. Pay attention to the road, Dad. Don't look at the camera.
All right, backseat driver.
And there are 4 of them right there.
Yeah, we're camping. We're going camping. What? We're going camping. We're going camping. We are going camping. We are going camping. We are going camping. Oh, look at Jackson! Camping is so fun.
Hopefully I'm videoing something good.
Wait, Jack, what's wrong with your ears? Do your ears feel weird? I think Jack's feeling his first time changing altitude.
That means you'll down. Cheesy smile!
Do it for the goodness.
Tell Ethan to give you a cheesy smile.
Jack will give you a cheesy smile.
Aiden's got a good cheesy smile too.
We're trying to find our camping site. We're at a place called Granite Flats. We have one site picked out. This is the one that's next to it. It's pretty crowded up here except for this spot. And this one is like super convenient.
Yeah.
I smelled campfire.
Is that a fine place for our tent?
No.
And just put it there. It actually looks a little more friendly than the other ground.
Yeah. You guys like this site?
Yeah, can me and Cindy and Ethan go down there and check out the river?
No.
In a minute with Dad.
Dad, we go?
We gotta set up the camp. Check out how packed this sucker is. Heather's a better loader than me. I just shoved everything in.
Dad.
This is my bag. I'm a good packer, huh?
Can I?
Yeah. Yeah, go take it over there by that wood. Did that stuff fall out?
Yeah.
We're packed pretty tight over here.
Right here is the perfect place. I know a tent was meant for it, but we got Hammond. Big tent was meant. We got Hammond with it. Sweet.
Oh yeah. Over here is probably a little bit better, right here.
No.
Yeah.
Right here.
We're gonna set up our tent right now.
Yeah.
Voila.
Hayden was trying to tell me to eat those blueberries.
Yeah, we don't eat any berries because
They're poisonous?
you can only eat dingleberries.
What? Are they dingleberries?
Dingleberries are deer poop. Okay, we're gonna go on a little hike.
It's not really a hike, but it's a hike.
Oh wow, that is kind of a drop off. Oh man. Look, there's a little waterfall. Go that way. I mean, you can definitely look, but I don't want anybody to eat berries.
I know.
What do you have? What'd you bring? Show me.
This hunting and gathering survival manual,
Cool. You a hunter and a gatherer?
I guess.
Yeah, hammer that in, Jack. We don't want the tent to fly away, huh? Thank you. Good news for my sleeping situation. I brought 2 air mattresses. Bad news, we can't find the pump.
Say hey.
Thank you. Is it comfy?
It's supposed to spread your weight out because of these little chambers.
Sophie girl, are you struggling? Are you struggling? Anytime anybody comes near Sophie, a truck or a car, or anybody goes on the highway over there, she just starts freaking out. Heather and Sydney went to the porta potty, so she's missing them. She's the only girl that didn't go. And here's our campsite, kind of a mess right now, but they're the boys.
Hi.
I love these briquette chimneys. You put some paper down here, it gets going, and these briquettes just get ready really nicely. Did you steal my Diet Coke? We're cooking sloppy joes. We already cooked the rice.
You mean floppy jodies?
Sloppy jodies. That's what I used to call them when I was a kid.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I like cake.
Just kind of improvising here.
Jack, what are we doing?
I had this
No,
on.
we don't need the lid on.
Okay, what is the?
What are we doing, dude?
We can tell if we just do this.
Bubbers.
It's Wi-Fi.
There's a little river down there.
Not at all.
You can't see it.
Yeah,
Thank goodness.
that is not hot.
That helps with the kids.
Yeah, wish you'd not.
That
Okay,
hot.
these Pringles things need to go into the garbage.
Yeah, I think this is just broken. When? That was a brand new one.
Show me what Daddy made a minute ago in the Dutch oven. Rice! Okay, put the lid back on so we can keep it warm.
Wait, can be those?
Do you like rice? Sophie likes rice too, but she's been banished. You're barking too much. She's been banished. Ruff, ruff, ruff. Who's mad that we don't get any service up here?
Me.
I think we're gonna go camping more often.
Password.
There's a password on that thing for a reason, can you tell?
No. Not give service.
Did you guys have a fun first night?
Yeah. If it was day, I'd be like, woo, really loud, louder.
Jack, did you have fun camping? You're
Yeah.
cold, so you're taking your socks off?
That's ironic.
Socks will keep your toes warm.
That's ironic. Want me to cuddle with you?
I'm a unicorn. Cyclops.
Oh my gosh.
The many things you can
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer
Dad, the many things you can do with a headlamp.
had a very shiny nose.
Oh my gosh, I can't.
And if you ever saw him. Alright, it's bedtime. That was a fun night of camping. It's morning time. My back feels like it's needs a replacement because I slept on an incline and rocky and I didn't have a sleep mattress, so it was a rough night's sleep. And then at 6 o'clock this morning, some logging trucks or something up there were making all sorts of sounds, and the reverse.
And I was like,
Beep,
plugging
beep,
my
beep.
ears.
Anyway, so we got the fire going, and I just made a creation. Jody's marshmallow cocoa. We didn't use all of our Hershey bars last night, so, and I didn't buy hot cocoa for these guys. So we have some milk, marshmallows, and Hershey bars. And now I put it in this Dutch oven and put it on the fire. It's kind of like a chocolate marshmallow soup. Cheers. Whoa, this cup is gonna melt. Oh my gosh, it's hot. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Boom. That is so freaking good. I just created a recipe. Right?
Yeah!
It about scorched the inside of my mouth though, so we're gonna wait to let it cool off. All right, try Jody's marshmallow cocoa.
Good, I want it. Here's this one.
Awesome.
It's really good, but
I want
it
it.
would need more of something. I'm not sure yet.
5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5.
But it's really good.
Jack, what are you doing?
I got
Oh no!
Okay,
No,
put-
fire! Fire!
Blow it out for him.
Blow it out, baby.
Blow it.
Pull
No,
it in
there
the
went
fire! Pull it in the fire!
And almost there went two.
Pull it in the fire!
I like how the marshmallow's all over my beard. This, look at that. Perfect. Golden.
Dip it in this hot chocolate and then take the marshmallow out and try it. I bet that'd be good.
Mm.
Dad, this is
Oh, perfect. What are you doing?
He's hanging. He's hanging in that baby. He's hanging in that baby. Cindy, I just bought it in Jack Bob's Harvest.
Want to fire?
Oh, you guys scared it away.
I saw a chipmunk.
There he is.
Oh my gosh, I just saw 5.
I've seen 4 squirrels.
I forgot to pack butter or oil, so we're kind of struggling here. Not quite sure how we're gonna do the pancakes. We might have to go ask somebody in the campground if they have some butter or oil.
I love Jack. Jack when he goes back.
It's cute.
Hey Jack. Hey Jack. Hey Jack. Hey Jack. Hey baby. Hey baby. Hey cutie. Hey Jackie. I see vacuum.
Wow. Okay, how about you all get plates and come over here and dish up some breakfast. Sleeping Beauty arises. I've got hash browns and eggs if you want some.
Dad, put this on video. Then he's going to buy his stick.
Okay, put it back in the fire, Sid.
Is it on video?
Yep. You're on video.
Okay.
Looks like a candle.
Yeah.
Happy birthday to...
I can't find it.
Squirrel to a tree. I mean, chased a squirrel. It dropped its bounty and ran up the tree, and then it turned around and was like coming back down and like looking right at Sophie and making noises at her.
That's funny. There's one up there in that tree.
And then it ended up coming down. It grabbed its bounty and ran off the other direction. It was funny. She's like, squirrel.
There's masterpiece. This works.
I don't know, does it?
We made it home from camping. How was it, everyone?
Good.
Sydney asleep?
Quite possibly.
Ethan ended up with my hat, so he's looking cool. Jack woke up from his nap.
I didn't see myself.
My back is killing, but it was fun. If anybody wants to donate a trailer for our next camping adventure, that'd be nice. We also played some games and cards, made some s'mores. Overall, it was a really fun trip, even though it was less than 24 hours. But man, that ground was hard. So I didn't mind not sleeping on that for more than one night. Please hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up for these beautiful Utah mountains, and be sure to come back and watch us again.